BBAI stock analysis, 1st of July. How is all that going to look like? Let's talk about it. I'm the only guy in this space that's done this for 5 years, 42,000 videos documented, so I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, especially with BBAI. Looking to double down on this, right? Especially how I did it before. The crash. Here's the video demonstration proof. I can actually show you proof because I got the, right? Oh, this is not the one. This is the one. There it goes, 228. Now we're 679. Even took it to like 10 bucks back then. I'm willing to kind of reach that point yet again. But how this looks like, the only thing that I would buy if the price pulls down and gives me the rules. That's it. If not, it's all Gucci, like no sweat. And also I have so many previous receipts here in the Discord. So if you want the resources and all that good jazz risk-free, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have gotten it. I'll see you in the next one.